Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, not in today's newspaper of Saturday, March the 25th, 2023. Well, actually, it's today, Sunday, but Sunday we have no additional, so I've decided to solve the additional of the Friday edition, Friday, March the 24th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the ladder Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. Cipher block, tectonic, in Japanese Suguru, and the Two Stars Sudoku. Yeah, Two Stars Sudoku. Number, this will be number 6177. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Four missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in the third row. So no 2 and a 5 in these two boxes. 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column, third column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. So now we have two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. Alright. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column. 1 in the second column, so in the first column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait again. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this row. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5, 5, okay. 6, 6. Then 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left now in the first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 6, 7, 8. Then. Let me see. Yeah. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Yeah. 6, 6. Need to wait. Okay. How about the 7 in the first row? 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Need to use another pencil. 7, 7. Okay. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. Well, not true. 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 8. Okay. Alright. Then. We have a pair, the 2 and the 9 in this row, the 2 and the 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Alright, 4 missing numbers now. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here, 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5. 7, 1, 5. Okay. 4, 4. 2, 1, 3. Okay. 3, 3. 3, 3. Need 8. And need 4. Okay, come on. But here, 4, 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in this column. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So this box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 2. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Alright. 3, 4. Need an 8 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. And 8 in the first row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the row below, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 5. Alright. Okay. Then the 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Okay. Alright. 3, 3, 3, 3. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column 3, no, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see a 6 in the last row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 and 8, 6. Yeah, cannot continue with the 6 now. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, no, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers. Wait yet. Let me see. 6 and the 4 here. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. The final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 and 8. 7 and 8 are missing. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you I need to be faster. No, not faster than 50 minutes. 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. So is this really 2 stars? No, let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle in this additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.